Korean style earrings. Collection these guys have, it is amazing. This looks so elegant and it's going to be good. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video from No Filter Vlogs, and this is going to be a super exciting and happy video because again we're going to talk about some accessories. और आप लोगों को पता ही है कि मुझे accessories, jewelry कितनी ज़्यादा पसंद है, but this is going to be a little different haul for me because usually जो भी accessories या jewelry मैं order करती हूँ those are Indo-Western, Indian jewelry. झुमके में बहुत ज़्यादा झुमके के haul डाल चुकी हूँ, ठीक है. अगर आपने नहीं देखे हैं तो मैं यहाँ पे कहीं पे ऐड कर दूंगी. आई कैन जस्ट टैप ऑन इट एंड यू कैन सी. सो हाँ, झुमके, इंडो वेस्टर्न, ऑक्सीडाइज ज्वेलरी, सिल्वर ज्वेलरी मैं बहुत ज्यादा परचेज करती हूँ. बट आई हैव नेवर गॉट माई हैंड्स ऑन कोरियन स्टाइल इयररिंग्स एंड आई थिंक दिस इज गोइंग टू बी सुपर एक्साइटिंग फॉर मी एज वेल बिकॉज मैंने अभी तक इनमें से सब इयररिंग्स ट्राई करके नहीं देखे हैं और मैं भी ऑन कैमरा पहली बार देखने वाली हूँ अभी ट्राई करके, तो इट्स गोइंग टू बी गुड. So I came across this brand Just Real Deal and मैं Instagram scroll कर रही थी and I came across their account and oh my god, the kind of jewelry and collection these guys have, it is amazing. I'll tell you why I said that because उनका जो collection था वो बहुत ज़्यादा different और हटकर था. मुझे वैसा collection उस price में और किसी site पे नहीं दिखा and me being a jewelry freak मुझे वो और कहीं उस price में नहीं दिखा and I have ordered a lot of them and I have been receiving a lot of packages from this brand. Talking about their delivery time, so it is between 6 to 7 days. That's really good because अगर मैं और किसी वेबसाइट से ऑर्डर करती हूँ तब भी इतना दिन तो लगता ही है, तो yes, that is good. Now the next most important thing I wanted to see was कि ये लोग सिर्फ प्राइस कम रख रहे हैं या फिर एयरिंग का क्वालिटी भी उतना अच्छा है, because that is what matters to me. अगर एयरिंग का क्वालिटी बहुत ही बेकार होगा और वो चीप दिखेगा तो what's the point of buying it anyway. तो ठीक है, वो इतना cheap नहीं लगना चाहिए. 90% of the earrings that I've ordered are below 100 rupees. They're actually 99 rupees में and they are so unique in design. They don't look cheap at all. They have that premium looking quality or they look just amazing. I am going to start off with the earrings that I had to buy because the moment I looked at them, I was like, dude, I have to buy this one for sure because वो इतने cute थे और वो मैंने इतनी सारी videos में देख लिए थे, मुझे कहीं नहीं मिल रहे थे, so I was like, I have to order this one. And that is this cutie right here. Oh my god, this is such a cute earring. So this little attachment that you see ऊपर, this attachment, this comes on the front portion of the ear and then you have to slide this through your ear and ये जो cherry है ये नीचे आएगी and it looks super cute, bro. Are you getting my point? Like you're somewhere out and you're wearing something very casual but you're accessorizing it with this. The next pair of earring we're moving on to is this cutie right here, okay? And this is like so cute. So the best thing about these earrings are कि ये बहुत handy हैं और बहुत ज़्यादा easy to accessorize है. If you're getting my point, I'm going to office, I'm going to college, or I'm going somewhere out and it's a casual day or whatever. It is just so appropriate and it just elevates your outfit suddenly because the earrings look so cute. और ऐसा नहीं है कि इनके पास सिर्फ earrings है, they do have other accessories as well. So you can definitely give it a try, okay? मैं इनका जो वेबसाइट का लिंक है वो नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मेंशन कर दूंगी. This is their brand name, so you can definitely check it out. Moving on to the third pair of earrings, and when I say I ordered Korean earrings, I did order a lot of Korean earrings. I did stick to the assignment. Okay, so this is the third pair of earrings and whether you can see it or not, I don't know, but it looks very premium and it's super cute. Okay, आप इसको dresses के साथ accessorize कर सकते हो, normal tees के साथ accessorize कर सकते हो and I think you can just go with it any day. It's super cute. This looks so elegant and it is so perfect for those night occasions or the parties, late night parties. It just looks so premium and so nice. So yes, that's the next pair of earrings. The next pair of earrings, again, I saw it a lot of other जगह, a lot of other websites पे देखा था मैंने इसे, but again the price range was very high and also delivery बहुत ज़्यादा लेट दिखा रहा था, ठीक है. So it was taking more than like 10-15 days, so डिलीवरी टाइम बहुत ज़्यादा ही दिखा रहा था, इसीलिए मैंने वहाँ से ऑर्डर नहीं किया था, but I got it from here. Okay, again this is one of those earrings जहाँ पे जो पर्ल वाला अटैचमेंट है ये आपके कान के ऊपर दिखेगा और उसके बाद okay my camera is just acting out. Okay, so as you can see this is the earring जहाँ पे जो पर्ल वाला अटैचमेंट है वो आपके कान के ऊपर दिखेगा, and then there is an attachment here. This is the loop जो आपके कान के पीछे से जाएगा, and there will be a hanging butterfly, and this is super cute, super cute. This just looks so nice, so premium, and it was something हटके, ठीक है. मुझे हटके ज्वेलरी बहुत पसंद है, ठीक है. I don't tend to buy stuff that's very ordinary. I like to buy jewelry थोड़ा हटके, ठीक है. So again this was a very हटके jewelry for me because I have never worn such kind of jewelry, and it just looks so nice, so elegant. और मुझे लगता है कि ये quad sets के साथ और you know a few formal dresses के साथ काफी अच्छी लगेगी. So whenever I'm going to accessorize this, I am going to put a lot of pictures of it on Instagram. And अगर आपने मुझे अभी तक Instagram पे follow नहीं किया तो Instagram पे follow कर लो. Okay, समझ रहे हो? ये है मेरा Instagram ID. Follow me there. Next pair of earrings are the ones that I'm wearing today, and this is the earring. It just looks so cute. Can you guys see? So I'm wearing a dress today. Okay, so उसके साथ ये बहुत ही cute लग रहा है. और अगर आपने कभी normally कुछ oversized tees पहनी है या फिर you're going out on a date, some casual outing, I think this is a very go-to earring जो आप सबके साथ accessorize कर सकते हो. Again I'm mentioning most of these earrings are just under 99. ये 99 के under वाले earrings हैं. So उसके हिसाब से the quality, the way it looks, it does not look cheap at all. So last pair of earrings for today, heavy heart. Okay, for today I said, ठीक है, खुद ही बोल दिया मैंने. The last pair of earrings for today is this earring right here. Again this is a very different earring for me. I know थोड़ा white background है तो ये जैसे नहीं दिख रहा होगा. I will put a picture here. Okay, so this is again the kind of earring that's very out of my comfort zone. As I told you, my comfort zone is Indo-Western, oxidized jewelry, झुमके. I usually accessorize those. Otherwise I'm a जल्दी लड़की जो कान में कभी झुमके earring पहन के usually घूमती नहीं है, ठीक है. तो इसीलिए this is very out of my comfort zone. But what made me buy this is because it is so cute and it is so usable. मुझे ऐसा लगा है कि यार मैं इसको कहीं ना कहीं तो यूज कर सकती हूँ. I don't have to dress up all cute just for this earring. I can dress up casual and उसके बाद ही earring accessorize करेंगे तब भी बढ़िया लगेगा. तो that is the one point जिसको मैंने सोच के ये सब earrings order कर लिए. I know I went a little overboard, like a little overboard, but ठीक है, चलता है, इतना चलता है, ठीक है.